Planning a move? Today we're going to introduce you to 3 Movers, your trusted Dublin moving specialists, and show you why we're the best choice for your relocation needs. 3 Movers is the moving company you can rely on in Dublin, California. We're here to make your move seamless, stress-free, and efficient. Wondering about pricing? A local move in Dublin typically costs between $100 and $190 per hour for 2 movers with a truck. Pricing depends on the time and number of movers needed to get your belongings from one place to another. We provide transparent pricing so there are no surprises, and you'll always know exactly what to expect. Need help with packing? We've got you covered. 3 Movers offers professional packing and unpacking services. Our team will make sure everything is packed securely to avoid damage during transport. From fragile antiques to bulky furniture, we have the experience and materials to keep everything safe during your move. Thinking about relocating abroad? 3 Movers also offers international moving services, ensuring your belongings are shipped safely and securely to your new country. With years of experience handling international moves, we know how to navigate the complexities of customs, documentation, and international shipping logistics. 3 Movers, your trusted Dublin moving company. We're here to make your move easy, efficient, and stress-free.